Good day, fellow professionals, especially to my fellow teachers. I know that some of you here is very skeptical and worried on how to renew your PRC identification card starting in this 2024. Currently, the Professional Regulation Commission, or PRC, is requiring everyone to renew using their earned CPD units. No CPD, no renewal. Bawal na po ang utang muna. So yes, we are required to have CPD points for our renewal. So I just want to share how I complied with the CPD points when I last renewed my PRC ID. Beside our account in PRC for our renewal transactions, we need to open an account for our CPD points to monitor how many points were credited to us by those accredited programs we attended or by our self-paced activities. So first, you have to go to cipdas.prc.gov.ph for you to create an account. Then agree to their terms and services. Next, make sure to type your personal information correctly to finalize your account registration. Then submit it and wait for their confirmation. So after you create your account, if you have existing certificates, diploma, and credentials of your graduate studies like masteral and doctoral, make sure to scan all of it and save it in PDF format. Using your credentials, you will earn 45 CPD points for it once you applied and submitted to them for evaluation. You just need to pay 500 pesos only for the processing and evaluation process. At least 1 to 7 waiting days for the CPD points to be credited to your CPD account. So once you earn CPD points, you can apply na for renewal of your PRC ID. For PRC CPD accredited providers, you can monitor it directly to your dashboard because it is immediately posted once you successfully earned the certificate of recognition from the said training or program. Your actual earned points is credited immediately. So hope this helps. God bless on your PRC renewal journey.